Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. You're going to need a long piece of string, scissors, lighter, and some pony beads. And you're going to start off by putting on 5 pink beads. And then these are my two ends of the string. And on one side, we're going to put on 4 white beads and then 1 pink bead. And we're going to wrap this around our hand, and we're going to put the string through all these beads. And you're going to put these ends together and push these beads down. And that's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to repeat that. So 4 white beads and 1 pink bead. And we're going to flip this over our hand, and we're going to take our string and go through all these beads. And you're going to pull that down. Okay, the next row is going to be 5 white beads. We're going to cross it over. Okay. Our next pattern is going to be 1 white and then 3 orange and then 1 white. Okay, our next pattern is going to be 1 orange, 3 white, and 1 orange. Okay, our next pattern is going to be white and then 3 orange and a white. Okay, our next pattern is going to be 5 white Okay, our next pattern is going to be 4 yellow and 1 white. Our next pattern is going to be 4 white and 1 yellow. Our next pattern is going to be 4 yellow and 1 white. Our next pattern is going to be 5 white Our next pattern is going to be 5 green, our next pattern is going to be green, white, green, white, green. Okay, our next pattern is going to be green, 3 white, and green. And then our next pattern is going to be 5 white, and to make this tighter, you can pull on this end and then pull these rows down if you need to tighten your bracelet. It kind of depends on what string you're using. But here's our pattern, and we need to add some length so it'll fit on your wrist. So I'm going to continue to do 5 rows of white until I reach the length that I want, and then I'll show you guys how to tie this off. Okay guys, I ended up putting on 8 rows of 5 white, and now we're at the end here. So we're going to take this piece of string and we're going to go through these 5 pink, and we're going to bring these 2 strings together, and we're going to pull it tight, and we're going to tie a knot. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.